If you're tired of worrying about vehicle theft, not knowing where teenage drivers are going, or expensive tracking services with hidden fees, you need to see this. Today, we're counting down the 5 best car GPS trackers that deliver real-time location monitoring, reliable alerts, and peace of mind across every budget and use case. From compact battery-powered options to hardwired professional solutions, these trackers prove you don't need expensive fleet management systems for reliable vehicle monitoring. I've dropped updated links in the description. Let's get into it. At number 5 is the real-time mini GPS tracker for vehicles at $25 to $40. The mini GPS tracker features compact battery-powered design enabling easy placement. The small form factor fits discreetly in glove box or under seat. The magnetic mount enables quick attachment. The rechargeable battery provides 5 to 7 days of tracking. The real-time tracking updates every 10 to 60 seconds when moving. The app displays current location on map. The geofencing alerts notify when vehicle enters or exits designated areas. The 4G LTE connectivity provides reliable coverage. The subscription service is required for data access. For budget buyers needing basic tracking, occasional vehicle monitoring, or anyone wanting affordable entry option, this delivers fundamental GPS capability. The limited battery life and subscription costs place it at number 5. At number 4 is the Optimus 3.0 GPS tracker at $40 to $60. The Optimus 3.0 features improved battery life lasting 2 to 3 weeks with daily use. The rechargeable lithium battery charges via USB. The compact design enables hiding in various vehicle locations. The tracking updates every 5 to 60 seconds when vehicle moving. The historical playback shows complete route history. The geofencing creates custom zones with entry/exit alerts. The speed alerts notify when vehicle exceeds set limits. The 4G LTE connectivity ensures reliable tracking. The weatherproof construction withstands outdoor mounting. The low battery alerts prevent tracking gaps. For family vehicle monitoring, teen driver tracking, or anyone wanting improved battery life, this delivers reliable performance. The subscription requirement and mid-range pricing place it at number 4. At number 3 is the Brickhouse Security Spark Nano 7 LTE at $100 to $140. The Spark Nano 7 features ultra-compact design smaller than credit card. The tiny form factor enables concealment in tight spaces. The magnetic mount provides secure attachment. The rechargeable battery lasts 2 to 4 weeks with normal use. The real-time tracking updates every 3 to 60 seconds. The accuracy is excellent with rapid GPS acquisition. The geofencing supports unlimited zones with custom alerts. The historical tracking stores complete route data. The tamper alerts notify if tracker is moved or removed. The waterproof rating enables exterior mounting. The 4G LTE connectivity provides nationwide coverage. For vehicle recovery applications, high-value asset protection, professional use, or anyone demanding reliable tracking, this delivers premium features. The higher upfront cost and monthly subscription place it at number 3. Coming in at number 2 is the CarLock wired GPS tracker at $80 to $120. The CarLock features hardwired installation eliminating battery charging. The wired power provides unlimited tracking duration. The professional installation ensures hidden placement. The OBD2 connection alternative enables DIY setup. The real-time tracking provides instant location updates. The advanced alerts include harsh acceleration, hard braking, and rapid lane changes. The driver behavior monitoring helps improve safety. The engine diagnostics read trouble codes and vehicle health data. The theft alerts notify immediately when unauthorized movement detected. The geofencing creates home and work zones. The curfew alerts enforce time restrictions for teen drivers. The trip logging tracks mileage automatically. The app includes detailed driving scores. The monthly subscription includes all features. The wired connection ensures continuous operation. For parents monitoring teen drivers, fleet management, business vehicle tracking, or anyone wanting advanced behavior monitoring, this delivers comprehensive solution. The installation complexity and focus on driver monitoring place it at number 2. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the 4G OBD2 plug-in GPS tracker, earning this position by delivering the best overall combination of ease of use, features, reliability, and value. Pricing runs from about $30 to $50. The OBD2 tracker features plug-and-play installation requiring no tools or wiring. The OBD2 port location under dashboard provides hidden placement while enabling instant setup. The installation takes seconds by plugging into diagnostic port. The power draw from OBD2 port eliminates battery charging completely. The continuous power enables unlimited tracking duration. The vehicle battery drain is minimal, not affecting starting. The real-time tracking updates every 10 seconds when vehicle moving. The rapid updates provide smooth location following on map. The tracking accuracy is excellent with quick GPS signal acquisition. The real-time following enables watching vehicle approach home. The geofencing creates unlimited zones with customizable alerts. The instant notifications alert when vehicle enters or exits designated areas. The zone setup is simple using map interface. The flexibility supports home, work, school, and restricted areas. The speed alerts notify when vehicle exceeds set limits. The speed threshold is adjustable per use case. The instant alerts enable immediate intervention. The historical speed data shows driving patterns. The trip history logs all drives with complete route details. The playback shows exact paths taken. The trip data includes start time, end time, duration, and distance. The automatic logging enables mileage tracking for taxes. The vehicle diagnostics read engine codes and sensor data. The check engine light explanation helps understand problems. The maintenance reminders track oil changes and service intervals. The battery voltage monitoring prevents dead battery situations. The diagnostic capability adds value beyond tracking. The app interface is intuitive with clean map display. The location sharing enables family members to view location. The multi-vehicle support tracks entire family fleet. The app performance is smooth and responsive. The 4G LTE connectivity provides nationwide coverage. The signal strength is excellent in urban and rural areas. The connection reliability prevents tracking gaps. The subscription cost is competitive with monthly and annual options. The pricing is transparent without hidden fees. The value includes all features without tiered restrictions. The cost per month is reasonable for continuous tracking. The annual payment provides savings. What makes the OBD2 Tracker #1 is delivering complete vehicle tracking solution with zero installation complexity. The plug-and-play setup enables anyone to install in seconds. The continuous power eliminates battery anxiety. The location hiding an OBD2 port prevents discovery. The simplicity encourages actual use rather than sitting in drawer. The feature set is comprehensive, covering all typical tracking needs. The real-time updates provide live location following. The geofencing creates safe zones for peace of mind. The speed alerts enforce driving limits. The trip logging serves multiple purposes from mileage tracking to route verification. The vehicle diagnostics add genuine utility beyond tracking. The engine code reading helps diagnose problems, saving diagnostic fees. The maintenance reminders prevent neglected service. The battery monitoring prevents being stranded. The diagnostic features justify cost even without tracking needs. The value proposition is outstanding, providing professional features at budget pricing. The unlimited tracking duration without battery charging prevents gap anxiety. The feature richness exceeds devices costing significantly more. The subscription cost is reasonable for capabilities provided. For parents monitoring teen drivers, vehicle theft protection, business mileage tracking, fleet management on budget, elderly driver monitoring, or anyone wanting best GPS tracker available, the 4G OBD2 plug-in GPS tracker delivers exactly that. The combination of instant plug-and-play installation, continuous battery-free operation, real-time tracking with geofencing, comprehensive vehicle diagnostics, intuitive app interface, and exceptional value pricing makes it the best car GPS tracker you can buy right now.